Alright, so if you're having a problem with the popping noise or rattling sound when driving on a 2013 Camry, what I figured out, I checked the tie rods, I checked the steering rack, and all of those are tight. But what I noticed is when the car's parking, you shake it like that, you hear a popping noise. Now what I figured out, I made sure those bolts are tight that holds the steering up into the frame. I don't know how well I can show it to you, but basically right there is your steering motor. If you go down, there's a shaft. I don't know how well I can get you into there. There's a shaft right there, and a little bit more up towards the steering wheel there's a 14mm bolt, and that's what was making my popping noise. The bolt was coming loose, so every time I'd hit bumps or uneven surface, it'd make a popping noise. I don't know how well I can show you that, but that little bolt on the left side, that's what was loose on mine. So I tightened that up. Now I've test drove the vehicle and the popping noise is gone. So hopefully that helps you out. Just a quick little video, because I was shaking this side to side. I didn't see no screws to really tighten down besides that bolt there, another one over here. I believe there's another one back behind. Yeah, I tightened that one down there. Check the other side. Come down to the steering shaft that's right behind this motor here. It's got a 14mm bolt, and tighten that. That fixed my problem.